To download Barclays bank statements into Excel, you will need to follow a few steps. First, log into your Barclays online banking account and navigate to the Statements section. From here, you can select the account and the date range for which you want to download the statement. Barclays will provide the statement in PDF format, so you will need to convert it to Excel. You can do this using a few different methods. One option is to use an online conversion tool, such as Small PDF or PDF Crowd. These tools allow you to upload your PDF statement and download it as an Excel file. Another option is to use Adobe Acrobat to convert the PDF to Excel. If you have Adobe Acrobat installed on your computer, you can open the PDF statement and select the Export to option. From here, you can choose to export the file as a spreadsheet and select Excel as the file type. Alternatively, you can also use a manual method to convert the PDF to Excel. To do this, open the PDF statement and select all the text by pressing Ctrl+A. Then, open a new Excel spreadsheet and right-click in the top left cell. Select Paste Special and then select Values. This will paste the text from the PDF into the Excel spreadsheet. Once you have converted the PDF to Excel, you can edit the file to make it easier to read and analyze. You can use Excel formulas and functions to calculate totals and averages. And you can also use charts and graphs to visualize the data. It is also a good idea to save the Excel file in a secure location, such as an external hard drive or a cloud storage service. This will help to protect the file from being lost or deleted. And it will also make it easier to access the file from different devices. In conclusion, downloading Barclays bank statements into Excel is a relatively straightforward process. By following the steps outlined above, you can convert your PDF statement to Excel and edit the file to make it easier to read and analyze.